Appian is a low-code platform allowing companies to build enterprise-wide applications fast. Appian is transforming the way insurers do business in the digital world. They help insurers to improve on customer experience and the ability to change while being agile and adapt. Next on stage, Appian.
My name is Gijsbert Cox. I'm the industry lead for insurance for Appian, and glad to be here at DIA with so many insurtech firms. Marcus is going to show you a demo, which we do in a minute. And actually, if you summarize the challenges that we face in the insurance industry, I would say that are twofold. Is that the ability to adapt to all these insurtech things that we see here today, fantastic stuff. And secondly, to meet the customer expectations, right? Their customer experience changes, enhances, is changing a lot, so we need to adapt to that. Now, Appian has a solution for that, so I'll show you, I will present that to you today. And you might be sitting there from a life insurance background or P&C insurance background and think, that's all good stuff, but if I go back home to the office, how am I going to integrate it with my IT platform? We've got a lot of dispersed data, a lot of legacy systems. How am I going to do that? Well, we will show you a solution for that in a minute. And it's actually not what we do in insurance that changes, right? We all have policies, claims, rating, but it's more how things are changing, how we do things, and actually, more importantly, the speed at which this is changing. So we have two use cases for you to show today, which is the view from a customer, what it could mean for a customer. Then also look at the internal staff, what it could mean for your internal staff to do a better customer experience. And lastly, we'll have a look under the hood of the Appian platform and how it's actually constructed. So first of all, the customer view. Let's have a look at that, what it could mean on Appian. So here we see My Insurance. Lillian, the customer at the top left, has logged in, and she's going to change the policy billing address of her son's car insurance. He's going to university, and he said, Mom, I'm going to pay the premium myself, which is fantastic. So she wants to update that billing address. And Marcus is showing that you can do that in various channels, so she's looking at the chat option there. But while she's doing that, she's actually, her attention is drawn to several things here. She actually sees that there is another policy that needs some attention at the top left-hand corner. And in the middle, you can see a setup of an auto-pay needs to be done. That has to be done as well. And at the bottom right-hand side, you see some IoT devices included in the platform. So she has to change the battery. And actually on the top right-hand corner, you can see there's some bad weather coming up, so she could take preventive action to ensure there's no extra claims coming. So this it's quite difficult to get this, because, but on Appian it's possible, because we can create a 360 view of your insurance policies and claims for a customer, because we can combine that data and enable that for your customer. And that allows you actually to move from reactive to proactive, right? And that's what customers expect from us. So let's have a look what it could mean for your internal staff. If we go to the next screen, this is what it could look like for your internal staff, because actually those are the people that need to give you the customer experience, right? They have to process all this information. And what if we give them a 360 view of the data? So rather than they are the masters of toggling between all the systems and know which F function or what kind of code they need to put in, they can see it in one screen. So what can we see here? At the top end, you see SLAs, so how we're doing, like me and my team, how we're performing against our SLAs. On the left-hand side, you see the daily goals. You can show that to the internal agent. Or actions, make them quickly available, like a GDPR inquiry or sending an email, and actually the targets. And in the middle section, it looks like might look familiar, right? You have workflow in your offices, but actually we enhanced this. So we included AI So for each and every action, you see a recommended action based on your data from your system, combining it with external data, you can create a recommended action. And actually, we also integrated NLP, so to sense the mood of the customer through chat or email, you can get a view of the mood, which you can help your internal agent to react on as well, or prioritize the work queue. So this is what it could mean. 360 view of data, enhancing customer interaction and actually customer service. So let's have a look under the hood. So how did we do this? So Marcus is opening up the process modeler screen and uploads the process that we actually just looked at, which is the update of a billing address. So this is how it looks. You think, well, okay, it looks like a Visio diagram. Well, actually, it's more than that, because it's not only a process flow, it's the actual application. This is how you design applications in Appian. And actually, while I'm talking, Marcus is actually enhancing the process by including a predefined AI module into the process. So after you've changed the policy details, there's an AI function there giving you a recommended action in the application. And once he's done that, the application is updated. So this is the power of Appian. We had today 8 minutes to explain what we could do for you. If you give us 8 weeks, we can actually take your idea and design and build it into an application, and we call that the Appian guarantee. So an idea into an application in 8 weeks. That's what we can do to you. Thanks for your time, and love to see you at our booth or tomorrow, somewhere here. Thank you very much.